Copper is a reddish, very ductile metal in periodic group 11 that is an exceedingly good conductor of electricity and heat. Copper is found in nature in its free metallic state. In the Neolithic, New Stone Age, humanity exploited this local copper as a substitute for stone for the first time around 8,000 years ago. Metallurgy began in Mesopotamia with the casting of copper into molds, c. 4000 bis, the reduction of ores to metal using fire and charcoal, and the purposeful alloying of copper with tin as bronze. The Romans got practically all of their copper from Cyprus. It was known as Cyprium, metal of Cyprus, which was later abbreviated to Cyprium and corrupted to cuprum. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video about chemical elements of the periodic table. Today we are going to talk about coppers. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Occurrence, uses, and properties. Native copper can be found as a main mineral in basaltic lavas, as well as reduced from copper compounds such as sulfides, arsenides, chlorides, and carbonates. See the table of native elements for copper's mineralogical properties. Copper can be found in a variety of minerals, including chalcocite, chalcopyrite, bornite, cuprite, malachite, and azurite. It can be found in seaweed ashes, many marine corals, human liver, and many mollusks and arthropods. Copper serves the same function of oxygen transport in blue-blooded mollusks and crustaceans hemocyanin as iron does in red-blooded species hemoglobin. Copper, which is present in humans as a trace element, aids in the catalysis of hemoglobin production. Copper is mostly generated commercially through smelting or leaching, which is frequently followed by electrodeposition from sulfate solutions. See copper processing for more information on the production of copper. The majority of the world's copper production is utilized in the electrical sector. The remainder is mixed with other metals to generate alloys. It is also essential technologically as an electroplated coating. Brasses, copper and zinc, bronzes, copper and tin, and nickel silvers, copper, zinc, and nickel, no silver, are important series of alloys in which copper is the main element. There are numerous useful copper and nickel alloys, notably monal. The two metals are entirely miscible. Copper also has a significant sequence of alloys with aluminum known as aluminum bronzes. Beryllium copper, 2% of beryllium, is a unique copper alloy in that it may be heat hardened. Copper is found in a variety of coinage metals. Copper remained the metal second in usage and importance to iron even after the Bronze Age ended. Copper is one of the most ductile metals, meaning it is not very strong or hard. Cold working significantly increases strength and hardness by forming elongated crystals of the same face-centered cubic structure found in softer annealed copper. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide are all soluble in molten copper and have a significant impact on the mechanical and electrical properties of the solidified metal. In terms of thermal and electrical conductivity, pure metal is only second to silver. Natural copper is a mixture of two stable isotopes, copper 63 to 69.15%, and copper 65 to 30.85%. Because copper falls below hydrogen in the electromotive series, it is not soluble in acids with the evolution of hydrogen, though it will react with oxidizing acids such as nitric and hot, concentrated sulfuric acid. Copper resists the effects of the atmosphere and ocean. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.